Okay, so audio board build status update. So this is the audio board. It's so large that actually, if I look at this, it consumes about 17 watts of 5-volt power, basically. So the previous power supply that I had was tripping out at about 24, 25 watts. So this, in total now, it's 47 watts, and with all of the board layers and everything else plugged in, it was about 30 watts. So that's a huge amount of power that this audio board is using. I'm using a trusty old Meanwell. You can see here, it's one of those, I think it's a 125B or something like that. It's got 12 volts, 5 volts, and one other negative, but I'm only using the 5 volts directly. Right, 5 volts going straight into here in the back, around here. I expect it's going to get quite warm. I'm going to look at a better power delivery method than just using one of those plugs. But anyway, it's all stable. It's not tripping out or anything like that. So I've just finished uploading all of the graphics data from demo 9. I'm just about to run the combined demo. Let's see what we get. Commodore 64 is reset. Oh, great. There you go. So this audio board has got a slight hardware bug in it, which I've already diagnosed. So, but apart from that, it works. You can hear it. There we go. Quite nice audio. Sampled audio, 4 voices, stereo, basically. And now if I press fire, it goes into this demo, which the Commodore 64 of course is driving. I can fire, I can move the joystick around like this. And of course the Commodore 64 is also driving the audio as well. I mean, basically it's just doing some writes to the hardware and letting the hardware play all of the samples. But that's perfect. That means that now I've got video and audio working with all of this hardware. You can see all of the layers are plugged in. So we've got the audio there at the beginning. It's reached the end of the music. I'm going to start it off again. Here we go. So, there we go. Perfect. So the Commodore 64 is actually able to drive all of this, all of these graphics updates and everything else, over the user port. And the music as well. But that's, anyway, so we've got the audio board here. We've got the scaled sprites board, normal sprites, tile map board, character board, and then the video generation and video composition circuitry and all of the palette stuff and everything else here. And then of course we've got the user port interface here, which plugs into the back of the Commodore 64's user port down here. Fantastic. Anyway, that's all working very nicely now. Thank you for watching, and if you like my hardware builds, then please do like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments below if you would like to know any details. Take care, have a great evening.